Probably the last time I've been to the dentist was when I was about 8 years old. And throughout my childhood after that, I never had any dental work done. The last thing I had done when I was younger was 4 cavities, and they were done without any Novocaine or anything like that. It just was bad experiences and made me really nervous to ever go back to the dentist. So fast forward about 20 years, and I hadn't been to the dentist. I brushed, but I didn't floss, and I started having pain in one of my teeth, and I ignored it for an extended period of time, probably like a year or 2 years. And then eventually it led to a piece of my tooth falling out, and then I kind of panicked, and I was like, okay, I guess at this point I have to do something. I had all 4 wisdom teeth pulled, 2 root canals, 2 crowns. I don't know the number of cavities I got filled, but just about every molar with extensive fillings. Basically, everything from my front teeth back has been reconstructed in some way. I came to find Paradise Dental. I had seen it opening recently, and I actually made my wife call because I was too scared to even call the dentist. And so she called for me and explained the situation to them. And at first they were like, oh yeah, you can come in today, but I was at work so I couldn't, and I only had 1 day off that week. And they were like, we can get you in just for the consult, not the cleaning, just so we can get you in and get this started. My wife explained to them how terrified I was, so they really worked with us and were like, you know what, we can make it work, just come in, we'll take a look at it. When I first met Dr. Steven, he was just like upbeat and nice, and like he knew that I was nervous, but he didn't come in with like all right, let's get down to business. Like he was very personable and friendly, and obviously could tell I was very nervous. And he actually said 2 things to me that really stood out, and I think they describe perfectly my experiences here. The first thing he said to me was, it doesn't matter what happened before this moment. What matters is that you got the courage to come in here, and now you're here, and we're gonna fix it. And to me, that it was like a relief, like, oh my gosh, he's not gonna be mad at me. He's not gonna chastise me because I haven't been to the dentist. He's gonna start right here, like I have no past, doesn't even matter. He's just gonna start here, and we're just gonna start fresh. The second thing he said to me that really, it's really just such a Paradise Dental thing, like this really describes them. He's like, we are not like old school dentists. We don't just look at your teeth, we look at the whole person. And he really does, like he knows me and he understands me. And yeah, he cares about my teeth, obviously he's a dentist, but he cares about me too, about my comfort level. Paradise Dental made it surprisingly easy for me to overcome that fear. And so now I feel like I can do what I need to get done, and I'm like someone who goes to the dentist now, which I never thought I would be.